This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can set a custom drone's Wi-Fi hotspot name or Wi-Fi network's name on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Next, select the About category and look for the Wi-Fi name. Now tap the pencil icon in front of it, and in the text field that follows, simply write your desired Wi-Fi name. Then press OK to save. Yeah, and it shouldn't include spaces, of course. Something is wrong. I don't think. Oh, here is another space I should remove. Yep, and that's how you do it. So, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.